According to a report, the mean of monthly cell phone bills was $49.15 3 years ago. A researcher suspects that the mean of monthly cell phone bills is higher today. Again, state your hypotheses in advance, then gather evidence from a simple random sample, and you would have information about X bar. Compare your X bar against mu. But nothing about X bar would be stated in your hypotheses. Population mean mu, always an equal sign in the alternative. And then suspecting that it would be higher now, 3 years later, greater than. You're always comparing against the same number in both hypotheses. So in this case, the 49.15. Type 1 error. The null hypothesis is true, but the evidence points towards rejecting it. So the null hypothesis was 49.15 for the mean, and that it would not change 3 years later. But the evidence led them to believe that it is higher. And so the reverse here with a type 2 error, failing to reject the null hypothesis when in fact it should be rejected, and that you're leaning towards the alternative hypothesis is what happens in a type 2 error. So the sample evidence did not lead the researcher to believe that it is higher than $49.15 when in fact it is. Looks like choice B is what we should be going with here. Oh, it is higher than 49.15, but the researcher did not believe it. There we go.